Instagram, my last picture. Number 3 now. This is what it looks like. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Hey guys! Today I'm going to be trying on some lingerie for you guys. I have tons of lingerie spread out all over my bed. And I'm gonna twirl and put them on for you guys. And yeah, oh yeah, the very special thing about this lingerie video though is that all the pieces in this haul are so affordable. Every single piece in this haul costs less than $5, guys. Yeah, so I'm trying on lingerie that costs less than $5 for you. So if you want to cop them for your girlfriend, you can cop them all. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces that I'm going to be trying on today, and those are $5 a piece. So how much would it cost if you wanted to buy them all? It's okay, look at my ass. Just kidding. Alright, so should we get started? Here is the first look that I'm trying on for you guys. This one is a Fashion Nova piece. The rest are from Amazon. This one is Fashion Nova though. And it was on sale for under $5. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm gonna have that link below, Fashion Nova, if you guys want to check it out. So here is our first look. This one fits pretty good for being like an under $5 piece. And I like the lace material. It also has like a nice crotch and seam, so it's not like itchy or anything. They put some cotton down there. You know, a girl's gotta breathe. So yeah, here's look number 1. Nice V-line, white lace, pretty. I would actually pair this with like some jeans and wear it out. I wouldn't just wear it as lingerie. And if you want to see it on Instagram, my last picture is of me in this, so go check it out, guys. Look number 2 now. I know that I'm ready to, because I already filmed this whole video and then found out that it was on spot focus, and now I'm refilming the whole thing. So you guys better fucking give this a thumbs up, leave comments, and watch the whole video, because this is my second time recording it. Do it. Alright guys, let's change. Here's look number 2. Here you go. Alright guys, so here is look number 2. It is a red lace set. It's very strappy. White details here on the lace. Super strappy on the bottom, strappy on the top. The back is basically like tooth floss, so I'm not going to turn it around because it would be super inappropriate for YouTube. Yeah, so the back is basically like tooth floss. The set cost about like $3 on Amazon. Yeah, it's for the low low. Alright, I don't know what I'm doing. So here is set number 2, guys. I'm going to change into look number 3 now. Here's our third look, guys. Holy fuck, I'm getting dizzy. So before we proceed with the third look, I just want to say that and casually walk backwards. Alright, this look, and this look, and this look, I'm not going to try on because they're too see-through. I don't want to get in trouble, so I'm not going to try these ones on. Well, actually, I might attempt this one. We'll see. But I still have a couple more looks I'm going to try on, so keep watching. This one is a black strappy bottom with a lacy top. Again, you could wear this one as just like a shirt with some jeans or something, you know, if you were into something like that. This set was pretty cheap, $3 on Amazon as well. Here it is. This is what it looks like. This is what I look like in it. In there like swimwear. Alright guys. I am so tired of spinning. I'm getting really dizzy, so I'm gonna stop spinning now, guys. Okay guys, here's our last set. It's a white lacy 2-piece. I really like this one. This one only cost $2.50. Yeah, and it looks super high-end as well. I've worn, you know, gooseberry, Asian provocateur, etc. I would think that this was like one of theirs, but no, it cost $2.50 on Amazon. And no, none of these outfits were sent to me by Amazon or the people who are selling, the vendors on Amazon. I ordered them myself to do this haul to show people affordable lingerie pieces. So I don't know if your girl's birthday is coming up. I know that my birthday is, so make sure that you go and hit my Amazon wish list, guys. What are you doing? Get out of here. No female nipples allowed on YouTube. They don't want to see your big nipples. Get your female nipples out of here. Alright guys, so now I forgot what I was saying, but let's close out this video. All these pieces in this video cost less than $5. Most of them are from Amazon. One is from Fashion Nova. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and let me know which one was your favorite. Have a great day, guys.